Hey everybody, my name is Mike and welcome back to AXC Garage. Another episode on our 21 Acura TLX A-Spec build project. On the last episode, we installed a set of Boston X-Chat 5 wheels, Toyo Proxy tires, and also adjusted the coilover. Now this TLX is looking right. In today's episode, we'll be installing a set of factory OEM body kit. Let's get started. All right, so what do we have here, John?
All right, so we have the OEM optional underbody spoiler kit. This is the front pieces, goes on the front bumper. These are the rear pieces, they go right on the rear. And these are the side skirts that replaces the ones that are actually on the car. These are additional, these are replacements. It has all the corresponding hardware. We already did a video on this for the step-by-step. This one, you're gonna see us do it real nice. It's beautiful paint match with the contrasting black. And this is not a specific A-Spec package. This is for all of the cars. They have them in every different color as well. Whether it's a base or an A-Spec or a Tech Advance, all of the above. And let's go ahead and get it on the car.
All right, so the first thing we'll work on is the front. So John and the processor go ahead and remove the front bumper. It's a little intense, but we go ahead and put a link up here and also in the description so you can check out our previous videos how to install this body kit. John just finished the last hole right over there.
So we got 5 holes all together. Now we're gonna prep to install the actual side skirt, or front lip. All right, so we're gonna take the supplied alcohol swabs here and clean the surface down so that there's no other waxes, silicones, or anything like that. So when we put this on, the double-sided tape sticks and doesn't fall off.
And just like that, the front bumper is back on the car. Here's a different angle of the front lip install. All right, so the front lip is all done. Now John, let's go ahead and remove the side skirt.
So me and Andrew already removed all the screws and the clips underneath. Now we just need to pop it off. To do that, we open up the doors, give ourselves some room, and we just take this.
So the clips we removed from the body, now John is reinstalling on the optional side skirt. All right, so side skirt is all in. Now we're gonna work on the rear bumper by removing it. There's a couple of hardwares and screws over here John's trying to take off. And Andrew got an out-screw gun over here.
He doesn't really know what he's doing with it.
Just in case you're not long enough to reach.
Oh, it's always good to have an extra longer one on backup.
So the rear bumper is off. We're doing the same exact thing what we do on the front bumper. There's a few holes over here we need to drill in order for us to put on the rear lip. guys, just like that, we got the factory OEM body kit installed, and with the help of BC coilovers and Boston Stagger XJ5, this TLX is looking super sharp. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think. If you like what you see, you want to make sure you hit the like, thumbs up button, and also subscribe to our channel. On the next episode, we're taking our TLX back on the dyno and get some real number on the new downpipe we just installed, along with a couple other items. As always, thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you guys on the next one.